What do we do today, guys?
We're gonna start it up for the first time.
Lobster boat?
Lobster boat. Lobster boat dash, swordfish boat dash, tuna dash, gillnet dash.
Boat. So you got the exhaust all hooked up and everything?
Yeah.
Look at that. I haven't got a good shot of that hooked up yet. Exhaust hooked up. FRP going in the back. Custom muffler inlet. One outside.
Just touch it first.
What's that? So what's that? Where's that second hose going to? That tees off the smaller hose.
To the oil cooler. Here to the oil cooler.
Oh, for the
Hydraulic
for the hydraulic system.
and steering.
Got it.
How much should it close?
QSL9 450. There's our fuel filtration system. Squeeze bowl priming pump. And our sight gauge. Here's the filter for the hydraulic fluid and the coolers, the oil coolers for the hydraulic fluid. We're running two of them. One for the steering system and one for the other hydraulics.
You got that? You got water in the strainer? Water's going.
Check the tire pressure.
I turned it off. You turned it off, right? I turned it off, yeah. Because we've got low voltage up here and it's blanks out the screens are cranky. We have to fix that. But that's not a big deal.
What do you think? Fired right up.
It did considering.
Sounded pretty smooth too.
Here. Yeah, I'm gonna do it again. Okay. On.
Nothing yet. There we go. Yep. That sounds good. It's quiet. Good oil pressure and everything? Tony.
Consummation. If it was over in here, I don't know. You gotta see if it's got water coming out of the cap water. Oh no, it's not shock to disconnect. Oh, it's not good. Go ahead and try it, Frank. Try it, Frank. Try it here.
Oh yeah. Definitely. A lot. Yeah.
That exhaust coming out of there is pretty quiet. Smooth.
Let's switch them up.